In this video, I am going to show you how to add Robinhood Chain to MetaMask. So all you need to do first of all, just go and open any browser that you want. And if you don't have MetaMask installed yet, you will have to go to extensions and make sure that you install the MetaMask extension. So click on it and click on add it to whatever browser you're using. If you have it already, that's good. If you don't, make sure to do it. Of course, now in order to open it, you'll have to go open extensions and open MetaMask. From here, as you can see, you'll find your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to create a MetaMask account first. And if you have an account, just enter your password and you should be logged in into it with no issues. Now, if we go to the top right here and click on the three dots, we'll find a lot of options right here. So we'll have to go to networks on this option. And as you can see, we'll find ourselves here. So from here, to add basically Robinhood Chain to MetaMask, all we need to do just go and scroll down because we'll find here default networks and scroll down and we'll find Robinhood Chain. Click on plus and the chain or Robinhood basically chain will be added to MetaMask. If you don't find it there by any chance, you will have to click on add a custom network. And from here, you will have to add some details. Where to go or where to get those details from. If you want, you can open a new tab, type how to add Robinhood Chain to MetaMask on that, and you will find, for example, here a documentation by Robinhood where they will give you all the details that you'll have to enter here to basically add the chain customly. If you don't find it here, if you find it, it will be added. You can just go and click on plus, as you can see. And if you want to remove it, click on disable, and it will be removed. So you can even click on edits if you want to change the name or something, up to you. So here you go. That's means you're done. You successfully added your Robinhood chain to MetaMask. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.